it's time to push the button. Please welcome your hosts, Ant and Dick.
Welcome to Push the Button, the brand new game show where two families go head-to-head in a battle to take home a massive cash prize.
We've got games that are big and daft, we've got families who are raring to go, and we've got to be out of here by 9 o'clock, otherwise Ant's in breach of the terms of his ASBO.
What can I say? Wrong time, wrong place.
It could happen to any one of us. Now, thousands of families applied for this show, hundreds auditioned, and this week we surprised our first two. They haven't got a clue what to expect over the next hour.
Both families have had their lives turned upside down, and it all started on Monday morning. They had no idea they'd be appearing on the show until we turned up on their doorsteps in Coventry and Warrington. Come on! Here's what happened.
Just walk over alone, shall we? I'm sure she'll be fine with that. I'll give her a knock, and hopefully she's out of bed. Morning!
Good morning. We're here to tell you... We're here to tell you you've made it to this week's show.
Oh, my God.
You're on the show this week.
Oh, my God, oh, my God, oh, my God.
Who are you going to call first?
Well, this is my mum, but I'll have to ring the workshop that she's in. Come on, Mum.
Hello, darling.
Hi, Mum, you OK?
I am, thank you. Are you?
Yeah, thanks.
Where are you?
At home still.
Carol,
Hello?
it's Deck here.
I love you, Dad.
Come here, you.
Oh, my God.
Well, you raced around, didn't you?
I've got a taxi driver, he can't speak.
We haven't got the studio yet. Hello. She's flashing.
No, it's flashing. The beams are falling out.
It's happening! Get in here, you. We've been waiting for you. How are you? So which poor fella has to put up with you forward again? I feel sorry for Ian already. I haven't even met him yet. How are you? You all right? So here we go. The team's complete then.
I think the whole of Team Greenwood are so up for the challenges. I'd put myself out there, put us forward to do this. You can't be in that opportunity and say no to something.
If we win the money, I would love nothing more than to have my house fully double glazed.
So, we've arrived at Mount Helen's local supermarket to give her a surprise and tell her she's on the show.
Let's do it. I'm bleeping your bagging.
Oh. Can we leave her on bad duty? Why can't I be on the checkout?
Seen her. She's on her way.
Push comes, push comes.
Oh, my God!
Hi, Helen.
Hi, Helen.
You're on the show this week.
Oh, my God! I'm so excited! I'm on Coventry!
Good girl.
Who's in, just remind us?
My partner, Simon,
Yeah.
and my daughter, Naomi.
Right.
you made it onto the show this week.
Yeah.
We're just waiting for Melissa, Daniel.
Yeah.
We've got a full team.
Bring it on!
Come on in. Come on in.
And the next time we see you, we'll be in the studio. Group hug.
Come on, good ball.
If we win, we're going on a family holiday.
I think we've all got the skills, we've all got the confidence and the personality to win it.
Words could not describe what it means to us to be on the programme.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the Greenwoods and the Fosters! Welcome to the show, guys. Ready, Greenwoods?
Ready, Fosters?
Ready, everyone?
Okay, then. First things first. We're going to give you both £100,000. But, and it's a very big but, neither of you are going to finish the show on that amount of money. You see, you're going to go head-to-head in 4 games that are all cunningly designed to knock money off that total. After you've played those 4 games, the family with the most money will get the chance to win the lot in the big finale.
OK, let's get started with game number 1. Our families don't know everything they're in for tonight, and they certainly don't know who's playing our first game. So I can now reveal that first up for the Greenwoods is Lucy Beth.
And playing first for the Fosters tonight, it's Melissa. Melissa, come on up here and join us for the first family face-off. Come on, girl.
Now then, Lucy Beth, Monday morning was pretty exciting, wasn't it?
Monday morning was the most surreal morning of my whole entire life.
And it wasn't just you. I mean, you all got excited, didn't you? Yeah, you all did. Especially, we saw it earlier, especially Danielle. She popped out a little bit. But I've just got to clear something up. It was the fillet she wears.
My sister's not got the biggest boobs in the world, so she has to wear a fillet as well. And then she jumped around, got so excited, and she just...
I'm scarred for life. Well, listen,
I quite enjoyed it.
no need to be nervous. You're OK now, you're up here?
I'm fine.
OK, with the very best of luck tonight.
Thank you.
Melissa,
Hello.
what about the Fosters? A lot of money at stake tonight. I guess you've all had a quiet week preparing for this, haven't you?
Oh, it's been the most exciting week ever. We've had 2 things to celebrate. When you came on Monday, but then it was Daniel's 18th birthday on Tuesday. So we all went out and had a bit of a kind of social outing for that, and someone had a bit too much. Not mentioning any names, Daniel. Sore head. Yeah.
We can let him off with that. Right, well, I think it's time we showed you both our first game. You ready to see it?
Yeah.
Well, here it is. This is Get It Sorted. Come with me. There we are, that's Get It Sorted. And as with all good game shows, all of our games have been tested by guinea pigs. Here they are, accompanied by the voice of the one and only Ronnie Corbett.
This is Ant and Dec's personal sorting office. A succession of strangely shaped items of fan mail will travel along the belt. Players must sort the packages through the matching holes in the wall behind them. When all the packages have been sorted successfully, they can push the button to stop the cash countdown.
And we need to play this game with one of you at a time. So for the first game, the families will play in alphabetical order, which means the Fosters will go first.
sure you don't see how the game works and get an unfair advantage, I'm going to ask you and the rest of the Greenwoods to go backstage while Melissa plays the game, OK? Yeah? We'll see her in a minute. We'll see her again in a minute. But for now, Lucy Beth and the Greenwoods, everybody.
OK, Melissa, there are 16 pieces of fan mail, OK? But 3 of them are red herrings. They're not for us. They're for Dermot O'Leary, OK? They've been mixed in with our fan mail. They're for him. We don't want them. You've got to do what we do when we find Dermot O'Leary's fan mail, check it for money, then throw it in the bin. That's what we do, OK? And just for you at home, here are the 3 pieces of fan mail for O'Leary.
Melissa, are you ready? You ready? You understand it?
Yes, I understand
OK, let's get you in position then.
Oh, gosh.
Good luck. First person. First game. All right, then. Here we go. The time starts and ends when you push the button.
Go.
So here we are. Where is scissors there? Where do they fit? Well done. She's found it already. There's the group. Over that.
Really good time, Miss. Really good time.
You need to push it all the way through, Melissa. It needs to go all the way through. It has to fit
Melissa,
through.
you got to push it through. One in the bin. First one in the bin.
That's it. Lots out from the family. Keeping up too. Don't worry, they will go back round. What we got? Oh, Teddy bear. That's a big one. Here we go. You do it very well. Here. They will come back to you, Melissa. Keep going. Your money is counting down. You've got to keep going here. Here's that ball, right?
It's got to go through the line. It's got to go through the line.
Go through, Melissa. OK, anything else to come? Oh, there it is! What are you going to do with that? What are you going to do with that? Well done. Well done. I don't know about you, but I'm knackered. Oh, wow. How was it?
Oh, gosh, I'm knackered.
Listen, Melissa, well done. You stopped your total at 88,750. Good, well done.
Really good
Go
work.
back and rejoin your family. And please welcome back Lucy Beth and the Greenwoods.
You ready to go for it? You just want to get into it now?
Take a deep breath. Oh, I like it.
You want to go for this?
I'm ready. I'm
First
definitely
game
ready.
of the night.
Yeah.
OK, your time starts and ends, Lucy Beth, when you push the button. She's on! Here we go.
Lots of help, family, lots of help. That's it, Lucy Beth. Scissors. They have after. All the way through. Well done. Good start. And award next. Well done. That's a very good start. Good dog. Right, this goes back in. Gotta go in the right way around. You're doing well here. Got the palm tree. Here's another. What we got? Oh, careful.
Another one in the bin.
Let's go back around again. We will come back around, Mr. Beth. Don't worry.
Back for the big one.
Where's that going? Have a good look. Well done. Have a good look.
She's got it. She's got it.
Go on, Mr. Beth. All right, then. Well done. That's Dexter and try. Here comes the teapot again. It's got another teapot. Keep an eye on it. Where's it going to go? Well
Well done. You managed to stop your total at 89,693. Let's find out how things stand after game one. Here's Ronnie Corbett.
After tonight's first game, the Fosters are in second place on 88,754. That means it's the Greenwoods who have taken an early lead on 89,693.
Right, time for a quick break, but when we come back, we'll be introducing you to this fella.
Recognise him from somewhere. See you in a few minutes. Welcome back to the Push the Button Celebrity Dentist. And may I say a big congratulations to you, sir, on being my first ever patient.
What?
I know. Lucky you, eh? Let's have a look at the old manual, see what it says.
Is there another dentist I could see?
Afraid not. Stuck with me. All right, let's see. Step one. Ensure teeth are clean. Well, we can do that. That's easy enough, can't we, huh?
I think it means ensure my teeth are clean.
Yes, please don't interrupt me, sir, when I'm preparing for a procedure. Very important. What it says here. Step two. Full rinse before beginning the procedure. That's easy, this dentistry lark, isn't it?
Again, I think it means ensure...
Please don't interrupt, sir. You're really beginning to get on my pip. Let's see what it says. Step three. A big lungful of gas. Well, we can do that, can't we? What now?
Nothing.
Good. Now, for the drilling.
Quick, Robbie, what are the totals?
After tonight's first game, the Fosters are in second place on 88,754. That means it's the Greenwoods who have taken an early lead on 89,693.
Right, time for game two, and I can now reveal that playing this one for the Greenwoods is Lorraine.
Next up for the Fosters is Daniel. So, Lorraine, Daniel, come and join us for the second family photo.
How are you, Lorraine, all right?
Oh, I'm fine.
Now, you Greenwoods have been beside yourselves all week. What on earth's going to happen if you actually win tonight?
Well, I'm really worried about that, because, you know, my sister, if she starts jumping any more, we could have a water problem.
Really? What?
She has been known to...
Go when she's not meant to go, is that what you're trying to say?
Springily.
It's best if you're over here on your own, I think, isn't it? Stand more of a chance. Good luck tonight.
Daniel, birthday boy this week.
Isn't
Happy
it?
birthday. Happy birthday. Was it a good night?
Yeah, it sort of turned out to be a bit of a wobbly one for me.
Really?
Yeah.
Nice. That's how I like it.
The godparents got the old champagne in, and a couple of drinks turned into a few drinks, and a few drinks turned into too many drinks.
I know, we saw the evidence. Have a look at this. There he is. There he is. Is that the same shirt you're wearing tonight?
Oh, it is.
Have you not been home? You ready for this game?
Yeah, I'll give it my best shot.
OK, this next game is based around something that costs tens of thousands of pounds to maintain. It's marvelled at by millions of people every year, and one of the best-known sites in Britain. I am, of course, talking about Simon Cowell's teeth. Come on, then.
Simon Cowell, a big head who loves to make a dramatic entrance.
There he is.
Once again, to show you how to play, here are the push-the-button guinea pigs.
Inside Simon Cowell's mouth are a lot of shiny white teeth. As music plays, a selection of these teeth will appear from above and below. Players must count the number of teeth they see and then reveal their answers. Whoever is closest gets to push the button and take £5,000 off their opponent's total.
And we're going to play this game 3 times. So if you watch very, very closely, you could take £15,000 off your opponent. Do you both understand the rules?
Yes.
No.
Yeah?
Yeah.
If everyone's ready then, let's get you in position. Your teeth admiring position. There we are. And if you're both ready, can we have our first set of teeth?
Okay, there we go. Write your answer down for us. It's pretty difficult. Do you think you've got it, audience? Do you think you know what it is? Yeah, they think they know it. But you're not still up here. It's harder when you're up here. Lorraine? You've got one down there? You've got an answer? OK, we've got an answer here, Dec.
We've got an answer over here as well.
OK, then. Lorraine thinks in Simon Cowell's mouth there were 53 teeth.
Daniel thinks there were 52 teeth. The correct answer is 53. It's round one.
OK, then, it's over to you. You can knock £5,000 off the Foster's total. All you have to do is push the button.
Dan, only one out. Only one out. You did well. She just did that a little bit better. We've still got 2 more rounds to play.
OK, let's get you in position.
Same again, Dan. Good work.
Can we have our next set of teeth?
Separate the wheat from the chaff.
That was tough. That was very tough.
Think about that one.
OK.
That was tough, Lorraine, wasn't it?
It was hard.
That was a lot harder. We've got an answer here, Dec.
We have got an answer over here.
OK, how many teeth do you think were in Simon Cowell's head?
63.
63.
Daniel, what do you think? 65.
Ooh.
Daniel thinks. I can tell you, the correct answer is 68. Round 2 to Daniel. Well done, Daniel. You win that round, which means you get to take £5,000 off the green ones. All you've got to do is push the button. Well done, Dan. Very good work. Even Stevens. So this one, round 3, this is the decider. Let's get you round and in position. Here we go then. Can we have our final set of teeth?
There we go.
Another tough one there.
OK, write your answer down. Are you a fan of Simon Cowell, Lorraine?
Not really.
OK. OK, then here we go. Third and final round. How many teeth did you think you saw in Simon Cowell's head?
I had to guess at 61.
61.
Daniel, how many teeth did you see? 60.
Ooh.
I can tell you the correct answer is 62.
Well done, sir. Once again, you get to take £5,000 off the Fosters. All you have to do is push the button.
Push that button!
Congratulations, well done. A very good game, not well done, Lorraine.
Let's hear it one more time for Lorraine and Daniel. And that's a look at that stuff at the tolls. Over to you, Ronnie.
After a trip to the dentist, the Fosters are still behind on 78,754. The Greenwoods are now further out in front on 84,693.
Okay, time for game number 3, Yodeling 3. And to help us with it, please welcome the Yodeling cowboy, Wiley Gustafson!
Thank you. Hi, Wiley.
Great to be here.
Welcome to the show. Now, Wiley, you are one of the world's greatest yodelers. How long have you been yodeling?
Over 30 years now.
Really, that long?
Yeah.
Wow. And what does it take to become a great yodeler?
Well, you have to be able to find your falsetto. That's your high voice, and go back and forth between your low and your high very easily. And then you kind of just got to go for it, have fun with it.
Just let rip.
It's a very emotional vocal style.
Great.
Now, this is the only game tonight that our families have had any warning of. Carol from the Greenwoods and Simon from the Fosters will be playing this one.
You two have been learning how to yodel all week, so off you go and get yourselves ready for your big performance. We'll see you in a minute, you two.
Can't wait for this. Here's Ronnie with the rules.
Carol and Simon have spent the week training with Wiley. Now they have to take the stage and give a yodeling demonstration. When both performances are over, 100 members of the audience will vote for their favourite yodeler, and whoever gets the most votes wins.
Have you seen Brokeback Mountain?
No, why?
No reason.
And now, please welcome our yodelers. Making their performance debut, it's Cowell for the Greenwoods and Simon for the Fosters!
I'll get you started here.
Singing, say, you're the lady. At first you take it deep, but then you count 1, 2, 3. And now you hear me yodel, if you listen close to me. Now you hear me yodel, yodeling, yodeling, yodeling. And now you hear me yodel, yodeling, yodeling, yodeling. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I'm gonna teach you how to yodel. It's easy when you're singing to go yodeling. First you take a deep breath, then you count 1, 2, 3. And when you hear me yodel, you can listen close to me. Diddly old lady, 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 diddly old lady.
Wiley, what did you think?
Man, they did a great job. It was a hard week of lessons, and they had never yodeled before. They knocked me out. They both did wonderful.
Well,
It's because they've got a good teacher. Please, once again, give it up for Wiley Gustafson! That's right. Simon, come on down. Come and join us, guys. Oh, well done, Carol. That is tough. That really is tough. What's it been like practicing all week?
It's been absolutely crazy, I can't tell you. I've been awake at 5 o'clock in the morning going...
Well done. Well done. You're very well done. And Simon.
You brought some shapes, eh?
What was this?
You brought some shapes around. You obviously worked on the yodeling, but you're working on the moves there. You must have been.
Yeah, well, I just wanted to make it entertaining for the crowd and everyone.
Yeah.
It's all about having a good time and having a good laugh, so I just thought I'll throw some moves in there.
Yeah. Did you enjoy it?
Oh, yeah, definitely.
Will you be taking up yodeling?
Yeah, I think I might become the first black yodeler in England.
You saw here first. You saw him here
Right, it's time to find out what our audience thought. Remember, audience, use the buttons in front of you to vote for your favourite performer. Carol or Simon? Push your buttons now!
OK, the audience have voted, and I can reveal that the winner, with 100% of the vote, is Simon!
That is astonishing! Simon, 100% of the vote, which means you're going to take £10,000 off the Greenwoods. All you've got to do is push the button.
Commiserations, Carol. Commiserations. You tried your best, you really did. I didn't realise there were so many Simon fans in the audience. But well done. Thank you very much, Carol.
Let's hear it one more time. Carol and Simon! Well, let's find out what that's done to the totals. Ronnie?
It's all changed after an incredible performance from Simon. Now the Greenwoods are playing catch-up on 74,693. Out in front for the first time are the Fosters on 78,754.
That's the end of part two, but don't go anywhere because when we come back, we'll find out tonight's winners after our teams get their teeth into this.
My mouth's watering already. See you in a few minutes.
Welcome back to... It's better. Welcome back to Push the Button. As you can see, we have slipped into something... less comfortable.
Yeah.
We'll tell you why in just a moment.
But first, let's find out how the Greenwoods and the Fosters are doing via the medium of Ronnie Corbett.
Going into our final game, the Greenwoods are behind on 74,693. In the lead are the Fosters on 78,754.
And remember, the family with the most money at the end of the show will get the chance to win every pound of that total in the big finale. But before that, there's still another game to play. So it could still go either way.
It really could. OK, there are 2 players left on each team because our 4th game is always for 2 players. So, Danielle and Ian from the Greenwoods and Helen and Naomi from the Fosters, come up here and join us for a final family face-off. So, Danielle, Ian, you've been together 4 years, so you must work well as a team, do you?
We do, yeah.
You do? That's good, because this is the last game, and you're behind at the moment, so you really need to catch up here, but it can be done, OK? It can be done.
OK.
All the pressure on you two.
I know, no pressure.
No pressure.
No pressure.
But I'm sure you're going to do well. Good luck to the pair of you. Good luck.
Naomi and Helen, what about you two? Do you make a good team, mother and daughter?
Oh, definitely,
Yeah,
definitely.
Do you argue quite a bit, you two?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Really?
I love her.
Of course you do. Of course you do. But what kind of things do you argue about?
Boys.
Her boyfriend?
Oh, yes. Oh, yes.
What kind of boys do you go for?
Chavs and bad boys.
Inappropriate one.
Well, answer Chav, I'm a bad boy. I mean...
Hold on. Chav.
All right, let's have a look at the deciding game tonight. This is It Lend in Tears. Come with me.
For the final time tonight, here are the Push the Button guinea pigs to show you how it works.
The push-the-button bakers specialise in making the world's tallest wedding cake. Each team must race to build that cake using a set of cake layers and stands beside them. When they have added the final layer and the cake is stable, they can push the button to stop the cash counter.
And remember, This is the last game, so everything is riding on this one.
Now, Ian and Danielle, you need to do this quicker because the Fosters are in the lead.
Yeah.
OK, good luck to all four of you. The game starts when you push your buttons. Take your position. 3, 2, 1, push your buttons! Come on! Come on, guys.
There you go, that's the first one.
Yeah.
OK, I'm just going to do a bit of extra pipe in here. There we go. Time to go with it.
Well done.
Put the heart. Well done. You need to get this done. Come on, guys. That's it. Well done. Need a bit extra around here. Well done. One to the left. One to the left. That's all we've got over here.
I say you do well, Joe. You do really well.
I'll stand in the gate. The Greenwoods are now going through to play for every pound of their toll. Well done. Well done, guys.
Well done to you guys. Well done. And nobody goes away from Push the Button empty-handed because you will leave with our love and best wishes and also the Push the Button salt and pepper shakers.
Salt and pepper not included.
We've absolutely loved having you on our first show. Please give it up for the Foster family!
In a moment, the Greenwoods will be playing the big push to win their £46,437 total. We'll see if they can handle the pressure and win that money right after this break. Don't you dare go anywhere! Welcome back to the final part of Push the Button, where the Greenwoods have beaten the Fosters.
They finished with a massive total of £46,437 to play for. But to win that money, they've got to face the big push!
OK, guys, this is it. The machine behind us is called Dave. It stands for Dynamic Audio Visual Endgame. But personally, I prefer Dave.
It's less formal.
Yeah, now Dave is going to generate 5 musical sequences, one for each number of your total. All you have to do is listen and then repeat each sequence.
So to win £4, you have to repeat a 3-note sequence. To turn that into £46, it's a 5-note sequence. For £464, it's a 7-note sequence. For £4,643, it's a 9-note sequence. And to take home every penny of that £46,437, it is an 11-note sequence.
Now, you're allowed one mistake. If you make more than one mistake, you go home with whatever you've won so far, OK?
If you're all ready then, please step inside Dave.
OK, let's play. Dave, for £4, can we have a 3-note sequence? OK, guys, when you're ready. Yes, well done. See, simple. £4. Well done. You won £4.
To turn that into £46, Dave, can we have a 5-note sequence, please? OK, guys, when you're ready, over to you.
OK, to turn that into £464, Dave, can we have a 7-note sequence? £464. You feeling OK, guys?
Yeah. OK, to turn that into £4,643. This is where it starts getting a little bit tougher. Dave, can we have a 9-note sequence, please? OK, that's your 9 notes, guys, in your own time. It should have been Lucy Beth. We were waiting for red there. That's your one mistake. Yeah. That's it gone. This is it. So, Dave, can we have a new 9-note sequence, please? All right, guys. Over to you when you're ready. £643. Well done.
Carol, how are you feeling?
My legs are shaking like mad.
Yeah. Danielle, team leader, you're doing well up to now.
Yep. Yeah.
You've made one mistake. Keep that concentration level up, OK? Good luck, guys.
What was that one? No, was that the 9 sequence?
That was a 9-note sequence.
Is this the last one?
One more to go.
One more to go.
This is it for the big one.
To turn that into £46,437, Dave, can we have an 11-note sequence, please? Good luck. It's over to you. Well done.
We just did it on the first show as well!
You have been absolutely amazing. We have loved having you on our first show. Thank you so much for playing and for being so brilliant. Ladies and gentlemen, let's hear it for the Green One! That's lovely.
That's all we got time for this week. But for more push the button action, you can go to itv.com/push.
Thank you to both families. Let's hear it for them. Thanks to running with the stalls, but most of all, thanks to you at home for watching. We'll see you next week for more push the button. Good night, everybody.
And you can see Ant and Dec take the Simon Cowell Tooth Challenge at itv.com/push. Well, Jennifer Aniston stars in our film The Breakup at 9:45. Next, but very much together, 3 more celebrity couples for Philip and Fern in All-Star Mr. and Mrs.